Okay, I actually didn't realize that I was starting the live video just now. I forgot to name my video, but I learned another really cool thing. I made this above me a frame. I don't even really know how I did it. But I'm learning some really cool things here. I kind of just stumbled upon it. And if you go into your frames on your phone, they're actually in there saved. So you can actually find it yourself. Hey, Nicola. Go into the bottom of the frames. They should be saved in there. And then I think it's that little wand. Let's see if we can change it. So, yeah. So you see the frame change? And it says that I've got I've got my frame up there now, and you can actually write things. Here, I'm gonna change this. Watch this. So you can write on your lives. I think that's really cool. I did not know this until just now. And you can erase the whole thing. And if you want to just do, oh, I didn't mean to do that. Where do I turn it around? Okay, now I can't figure out how to turn it around. Okay. Now I need to figure out how to turn my camera around. Now that's awesome. Now you guys are looking at my computer because this is what I just figured out. My effect has been published. So while you guys are looking at that, I'm going to try to figure out how to flip this thing around. There. Okay. So yeah, I can do this. That's that little wand on the bottom, and then you've got like all these little options. So yeah, I see the switch. So you got the switch. You can do switch and then erase. So yeah, and then frames. I've got my other frame that I just made. So they're all there. I'm planning on making some more, and I just thought it was really cool. I thought I would share that with you guys. I didn't name the video. I honestly didn't think I was going to hit live. So it was a total accident. But hey, we're going to go with it. So what is it? 2 o'clock in the morning for me. And I'm about to go to bed. So I was just messing around with this new thing that I'm learning. And I hope I taught you guys something. And if you guys want to make some cool frames, and you can make some, what is it called? Effects, frames, lots of different cool things. You can name it, and you can do masks and all these kind of neat things. Outros, intros, lots of awesome stuff. So I'm going to be doing lots of stuff. And actually, it doesn't have to be iOS. So I found a way that you can do it for Android too. So I can post the link. I gave one to Justin Don Bob because he was kind of upset that you couldn't do it for Android. But I did find a way in your video settings. So let me actually find out. I'm going to look at my computer really quick. There is a way to, if you go into your part right here, I'll switch it around. Now I've got to find out how to do this. I hate this. Okay. I'm going to switch it, and this is how I found it. So I went down here to create a frame, okay? and then I went to Camera Effects Platform. So this is how I made it. And you can do Manage Effects, Open Frame Studio, Upload Studio Effects, and that's actually where I came. So you can upload the effects here and just start making frames. So that's kind of cool. I just randomly learned this on my own. So I'm learning something new on Facebook. But I'm gonna get going to bed because I kind of have a headache. I really was having some issues with my phone earlier, and I didn't think I was going to make a live, so I was getting a little worried. But I will talk to you guys tomorrow, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, evening, wherever you guys are. So I'm going to title my video once I get off here. So hope you guys have fun trying out your frames and little whatever masks and stuff. So let's see what you guys can come up with. All right, see ya.